What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my trading channel. Today I want to share with you guys a very simple strategy that I used today, guys. As you can see, today is the is 22 March 2023, and as you can see, these are the trades that I took with the strategy that I'm about to teach you. We had a deposit of $100, and by the end of the day we had made 82% in profit, and that's leaving us to a profit of $82 in just one day. Yes, it's a real account. As you can see, if you look at the top left corner right there in line with the USD, this bar shows you that I can deposit and I can withdraw, which means that this is a real account. So I'm going to share with you guys the strategy. This is the strategy. This is how it looks. We're going to talk about the settings. We're going to talk about the conditions that have to be met if you want to use this strategy. I'm so sorry if my voice is so low. It's very late in the morning. Right now it's 2:30 and it's early morning, as you can see, guys. So don't worry about my voice. I want you guys to, I'll try and put more energy. I want you guys to make these type of profits within a single day. I just took 2 trades, guys, and it already doubled my account. Technically, I can say I doubled my account because I wasn't even paying so much attention to this account. I had so many other accounts that I was working on, and this one I was just trying to build it up and trying to make some profit. So I can just share with you guys how to do the same thing, how to make these big profits. With just simple strategies. You'll see that we'll just be using very simple indicators that you already know. We're going to be using the envelopes. We're going to be using moving averages. We're going to be using the RSI, that's your relative strength index, and some simple trading principles like price action, like support and resistance. What you already know, right? So this should be an easy task. Hope you guys can make these big profits as I was making. Started off low and we did build our account to increase more of our equity so that we would place more trades and we would get better results. Trust me, if I had traded this account for 24 hours, this account would be over $1,000 with just this simple strategy. So how does it work, right? As usual, you know what I'll do is I'll remove all the indicators that I have on my screen right now, and we'll do the step-by-step process of installing this strategy. Okay, so I'm gonna remove all my indicators right now. As you can see, we now have a blank chart. Let me remove all this. This is from my price action analysis. I was just really looking at a trend that was going on right there, which was a downtrend. And I think on some of my accounts, I managed to actually place some trades based on that trend that you saw. But right now, let's focus on this strategy. You can see I have a blank chart. This is Boom 500. We'll be dealing with our 1 minute time frame. So for those that are always worried about the time frame, it is going to be the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so let's jump right into it. The first indicator that we want to install is our envelopes, and these envelopes are going to have the following properties: a period of 20, a shift of 0, a deviation of 0.100, a method of simple and apply to close, and then on the visualization, we want it to appear on all time frames, although we're just going to be using our 1 minute time frame. Okay, and on the styling, please try and choose the colors that I have right here because I'm going to be referring to them throughout these videos. Okay, so we've got the upper band and the lower band. My upper band is blue, my lower band is red. So these are the final settings. If you have someone to write, try and follow and try out some of the tips that I'll be saying and some of the settings that I'll be releasing to you guys and the explanations behind those indicators. Okay, so if you click done, we should have some envelopes on our chart. That's the blue band, the upper band, and then the red one is our lower band. Okay, simple, right? The next indicator that we want to install is the RSI. So we're going to back to our indicators. We're going to look for the relative strength index, which is our RSI. For those that are new, and it's going to have the following properties that you see on my screen. A period of 1, apply to close, and then on the levels, we want to have level 90. Let me try and go to our level section. We've got level 90, level 80, level 20, level 10, and level 50. Okay, I'll try and label these as sell zone. Okay, sell zone, and I'll try and put these to be a buy zone, and on the level 50 is usual level take profit, right? So TP1 usually. Okay, and then done. And on the styling for this RSI, please use the color of your background. So I have white background, that's why you see it's white right there. Okay, then click done, and then we have something like this on our charts. Nice and easy, right? Nothing in our RSI except our buy zone, our TP1, and our sell zone, which is very easy. Okay, and moving on to the next set of indicators. These are going to be just moving averages. The first moving average that we want to add to our indicator window 1 is the moving average of period 8, a shift of 0. The method is simple: apply to close, of course, apply on all time frames, and then the color can be a yellow color like the one that I have right there, and then we can click done. We can see it on our charts right there, which is very good. The next one again is a moving average. Like I said, this time it is going to have a period of 5. Everything else remains the same except the styling. I'll try and change this one to green, and done. Okay, we have that. Last but not least, we're adding another moving average to our indicator window 1. This time it is a period of 3. Everything else remains the same. The shift, the method remains the same. We're just going to change the color to blue, or let's just do black, and then done. So as you can see, we now have the strategy fully installed on our charts, and we're just left with knowing how to operate with this strategy. Before we do that, guys, please make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you are notified whenever I post a video. As you all know, guys, right now we're actually doing a promotion that if you subscribe, you will not only get this massive content delivered to you that is going to help you, but you also get a chance to be taught at a personal level with me. If you subscribe, like this video, and comment down below, you can send me a screenshot showing that you have done all that, and I'll add you to my group where I'm personally teaching and sending signals each and every day, and you'll get all that for free just because you are a subscriber. So don't forget to do that. Subscribe, like, comment down below what you've learned in this video, and send me a screenshot from my WhatsApp number. I'll leave the link to my Telegram channel in the description box below, so you can check it out as well and see our account management program as well. If you don't have time to trade, or if you want someone who's a little bit better than you to work on your account, we just share the profits only. You can also contact me so that you get the full details. Okay, let's get back to our strategy and see how we're supposed to work with this strategy. It's a very simple strategy. The blue and red line are going to work as our support and resistance, and of course we have our indicator window 1 showing us the momentum in the market, showing us the market direction technically. So let me switch to crash 500. Let's see if we have something that's really recent. Okay, we do have a situation like this. Let me first highlight it, and then we'll talk about that opportunity. That was a buying opportunity. Okay, why? That was a buying opportunity. Number 1, we were in our buy zone region. The black, the green, and the yellow line were in the buy zone region. This was mainly because of this spike that it occurred recently. That was a very big spike. It caused our market momentum indicators to indicate to us that the market is sold enough. The market is sold enough. And we also got a confirmation, clear confirmation from this Bollinger Band. we can see that our candlesticks did hit and cross our red Bollinger Band, which indicated that we had now reached our support level. Once you see our candlesticks close to our red Bollinger Bands, it means we are at support level. We are roughly around support level. And what do we do when we are at support level? It's very true that we are going to take some buy positions, of course. And as you can see, we had two confirmations. Our indicator was telling us we were in a buy zone, and our envelopes were also indicating that we are in a buy zone, and we did actually buy for some time. Okay, we're gonna talk about, of course, you can see the take profit levels and the stop loss levels is obviously when either we go beyond our support level, or you can use your risk reward ratio to know that you have risked enough of your trade. This is what I actually prefer the most, that you trade in line with your risk management. Just when you know that you have lost enough, doesn't matter if the trade is going to come back again, just make sure you exit. That discipline is going to keep you going for on and on, because it's going to preserve your account, it's going to save your account. So make sure you have that in mind. Again, let's take a look at another example. Okay, we have a scenario like this. I want to say your strategy was wrong, right? No. Take a look at this. We were never at our buying zone. The market still had momentum to sell. Why? Because it did cross our red line at the bottom there, but it was never in our buying zone. It only came to our buying zone right here, and that was around right this region, and that's when we were supposed to buy. This was our support. As you can see, even price kept on bouncing over and over, kept on bouncing over and over on it, because that was our confirmed support. So for those that say indicators tell you nothing, can you see how exactly it worked in line with price? Okay, let's take a look maybe at boom again, so that you can see this would not be a buy opportunity. Why? Because right here we're not even in our, this will not be a sell opportunity. Sorry, I forgot that we are now on boom, so we're looking at sell trades. This will not be a selling opportunity because we're not yet at our sell zone. This again will not be a selling opportunity because we are not yet at our sell zone. The next opportunity that is going to appear, I think even there, up there, if we are in our selling zone, we're going to sell. So that's the one that we wait for. The one that comes from way up there. I don't know where it's going to start, but somewhere there. Okay, I want you guys to confirm this trade once you watch this video and check and see if what I'm talking about is true or not. But this is what got me these results, as you can see right here. And if you want us to manage your account as well and grow it with the knowledge that we have, like I said, you can contact us and ask about account management, and we'll freely give you the information that you need to know. I want you guys to practice this strategy first on your demo accounts before moving on to your real accounts, so that you understand it before risking real money, because in real money there are a lot of emotions involved. So we can go on and on and on testing this strategy, but it West Ham, we actually did some forward testing on it already. You can confirm if the trades went like I discussed. Okay, that's the beauty of trading. Until next time.